We bring to you the new bottom mount freezer, the Rennaisance. There are 3 different types of handles: side hidden, eclipse, and bridge handle. All 3 handles were ergonomically designed to fit right into your hands. The Diamond Touch display adds a clean, sharp, but simple look to exterior design. The Easy Slim dispenser is designed so that it doesn't cut into any precious storage space inside. The structure of the refrigerator has been built to fit into your kitchen perfectly. Vents are placed strategically to ensure that cool, fresh air is distributed evenly to all corners of the fridge. The multi-case is a great place to keep your fish and meat fresh. Farmer's Case captures the freshness and crispiness in fruits and vegetables. The Dairy Pocket is equipped with a guide to prevent your products from toppling over. The Detachable Clean Guide is an antibacterial filter that allows for easy filter replacement. The Jumbo Pockets let you store large bottles of beverages. The detachable water tank is easy to clean. The freezer provides large bins for you to store your big, bulky frozen products. Our newest pride, the Rennaisance. Value beyond imagination, Daewoo Electronics.